insulin counseling guide for pharmacists, caregivers, and insulin users. First, you should know why you're using insulin. So basically to keep your blood sugar levels under control. Next, you have to know the type of insulin which you're using, whether it is rapid acting, short acting, intermediate acting, long acting, or ultra long acting. So know your insulin type. Now regarding administration, you must know where to inject your insulin. Insulin injection areas include the abdominal area, that is like the belly, and the front of the thighs, like outer thighs, the back of the upper arms, and the upper buttocks. This is very important to rotate within the same site in a day. If you're injecting in a particular side of abdomen morning, then ensure evening it should be in another side of the abdomen. Next, changing injection sites every week, switching from abdomen to thigh, and avoid injecting into the same site for at least 1 to 2 weeks. Best insulin injection sites based on absorption. Now the technique: clean the site, pinch the skin, make sure you're injecting it in a 90-degree angle, hold on for 5 to 10 seconds after inject. Most important thing, do not rub the injection site. This is going to affect the way how insulin gets absorbed into your body. And make sure you're taking the insulin at the same time every day. And if it is a rapid acting insulin, it should be before meals. If you're using something long acting, it will be once or twice a day. So based on what is prescribed, always carry a glucose source with you. It could be a chocolate, candy, a sweet, juice, anything with you, because you might not know when you will have a hypoglycemic event. You will feel, you will be sweating a lot, nervousness, tiredness, fatigue. So always carry a glucose source with you and take it as soon as you've experienced these symptoms. And always make sure to monitor your blood sugar levels and regularly visit your doctors to ensure you're taking the correct dose of insulin, or whether you will need a dose adjustment in order to regulate your blood sugar levels. If you found this video interesting and informative, please subscribe for similar videos.